Hello everyone, good evening. It's my gardening in UK endeavor day 13. So today is raining and the main hazard in this rain is slugs and snails. They're gonna really be dangerous for my plants. They can eat my plants leaf and all. And yesterday I gave some medicine to my chili plants, and all the medicines gonna washed away by this rain. So whenever it will be like sunny again, then I have to put the medicine again. So what I'm gonna do today is I'm gonna put some this one around my plants. It's still raining and I'm in the rain. I can get cold, but I'm really conscious about my plants. I don't want them to get eaten by slugs or snails. So here's the medicine, and I'm gonna put some like this. Around here. I hope this will save my plants for today, and no watering until it's dry. Thank you so much for watching. See you tomorrow.